Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Nanoby. This is their model number X213 electric air duster. It's got a brushless motor. It is rechargeable with a 5,000 milliamp battery. It comes with 4 different types of nozzles, and it's pretty compact in size. We're going to dig into this now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is everything that we get once we get it out of the box. We are going to be taking a quick look at the user manual first. This gives us some general information about what's included in the package, how to charge it, how to get in touch with them if you need to, if you have any issues, and things like that. We also have on the secondary page here, again, what's included in the box with the 4 different nozzles. We do have a long nozzle, round, universal, and a flat nozzle. Shows you your button layouts here for your power button, your charge port, your air inlet and outlet, and your start pause button, the gear and battery indicator, and the interchangeable nozzle there. On this side, we do have some product parameters. I'll leave these up if you want to come back to this point in the video, or if I miss any specific thing, you can come back to this point in the video and you can check it out. Now, there are 3 lights on this. 1 light indicates 25% battery, 2 50% battery, and 3 lights 100% battery, as you'll see on the left-hand side. And then some of the other parameters like battery capacity and a battery time as well, which I'll go over in just a second. We do get a cable to charge this. It is a standard USB Type A to USB Type C cable for charging up the 5,000 milliamp battery that is in the X213. You can plug this USB Type A port into any laptop or PC's USB, or a power bank, or something like this, which is an AC to USB adapter you probably have from another device. Now, it takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge this device, but on its lowest setting, which is 25,000 RPM, you will get up to 3 hours of runtime. The medium setting, which is 60,000 RPM, you'll get about over 30 minutes of runtime, and at 130,000 RPM, you'll get over 19 minutes of runtime. Now, you can switch nozzles out here pretty easy. Again, you have a universal nozzle. You have this flat nozzle here, the long nozzle for getting into areas, maybe harder to reach areas. This flat one works really great for things like cleaning your keyboard, things like that. This will work out really awesome. So you do have 4 different ones, and they just rotate and attach in. You'll kind of hear a click once they're in and attached. On the back, we do have our charge port and our power button. And this power button is not only a power on and off, hold to power on, hold to power off. And then what'll happen is we can click through each individual setup. You have a trigger button on the front, and each light is going to be either fan 1, 2, or 3 as far as the low mode, medium mode, and high mode. First, let's take a listen to high mode. Now we can switch on over to 2 lights, which is medium mode. Then pushing the power button 1 more time, low mode. Now, during low mode and medium mode, you can press the power button once and it will stay on, and you don't have to keep it held down or pressed. On the third mode, which is the three lights that are on in high mode, you do have to keep the button pressed to keep it activated. And that's just because it's such a high powered mode. They probably don't want you to leave it on for a continuous amount of time. You do have the option to go to medium or low mode and actually just press the button once and it'll stay on and it'll stay blowing, no problems. Now, this is great for cleaning out, electronics. If you want to try to get dust out of these, I have a battery charger here, and this cleaned this up very, very well. I didn't have any problems with this whatsoever, cleaning everything out, especially on that higher mode. And again, you'll get up to 20 minutes of runtime on the highest mode. If you don't need it, you'll get a significant amount of battery life on lower modes, such as the lowest mode, where you can get up to 3 hours before having to recharge at all. Now, another cool thing that I did want to point out with this is that if we look in the outlet side where the air comes out, there are some LEDs while this is being run, that in the dark, if you're in a darker environment and you're trying to clean something up, you'll actually see that blue LED. You can barely see it on the end of my hand, but in a darker environment, this will actually light up the area that you're trying to clean. So say you're trying to clean the inside of a PC or something like that, that will come in handy because you'll be able to see what you're trying to dust out, because it's quite dark inside most PC cases. Speaking of PC parts, I have a dusty fan here, and this would be perfect for cleaning out old PC parts. So you can see, especially in that higher mode, you're going to get some serious air coming out of this electric air duster, which is going to really be able to help you clean up pretty much any job you can think of, really. PC parts, like I just showed you, in between your couch cushions, maybe your keyboard, maybe smaller spaces like this. You're just trying to clean out something like USB ports or something like that. Maybe on your phone, a charge port on your phone gets dust in it a lot of times from being in your pocket and things like that. So these will all work very, very well for this air duster. And I like that it's rechargeable. I can use this over and over again and save a ton instead of buying canned air. So there you go. That's my review of the Nanoby model number X213 electric air duster. This does a really great job. I don't have any issues with this whatsoever. I'd like to see a little bit longer, maybe battery runtime in the highest mode, but for as much air as it's pushing out, and I can get up to 20 minutes on that highest mode, I think it's going to cover most of the jobs that I'm going to be able to do with this, and also not need me to go back and recharge it in between those jobs. If you're looking for a job that's going to last you longer than 20 minutes, you're going to want to find an air duster that's a plug-in style one that's not going to be portable like this one is. Overall, the quality of build with this is excellent. The fact that I can recharge it, I can save by not buying canned air, is all excellent points, and I'm definitely going to give this 2 thumbs up. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.